In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to Palawan Pay 2025. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your GCash app is up to date. Open the GCash app and log in as you normally would. If you use biometrics, go ahead and authenticate. It's a good idea to quickly check your available balance on the home screen so you know you have enough funds to cover the transfer plus any applicable fees from the GCash home screen tap bank transfer. Depending on your layout, you might see it under the transfer section. This brings up a list of supported banks and e-wallets. Fees, if any, will be shown later before you confirm, but it's helpful to remember that charges and processing times can vary. Next, select Palawan Pay from the list. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type Palawan Pay to find it quickly. Make sure you choose the correct option as there may be similarly named services. Selecting the right destination ensures your money is routed to the correct account. Now enter the Palawan Pay account details exactly as provided by the recipient or as shown in their Palawan Pay app. This usually includes the account name and account number. Type carefully and double check every digit. Even a small mistake can cause delays or a failed transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, and if there's a field for notes or a reference, you can add a short description to help you recognize the transaction later. Before sending, review and confirm all the details on the summary screen. Verify the recipient's name, account number, the transfer amount, and any fee displayed. If something doesn't look right, go back and edit. Once everything looks correct, proceed to confirm the transfer. You'll be prompted to enter a one-time password or OTP. This will be sent to your registered mobile number or generated by your authenticator depending on your setup. Enter the OTP promptly and never share it with anyone. This code authorizes the transaction and keeps your account secure. After the OTP is accepted, you'll see a confirmation that the transaction is complete. You'll get a reference number and a receipt screen. Save a screenshot or download the receipt for your records. Funds typically reflect on Palawan Pay within minutes, but if it's marked as pending, give it a little time. If the transfer fails, the amount is usually reversed back to your GCash balance. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from GCash to Palawan Pay.